Hello there, my 2Ls. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss in the house. Yeah. How y'all doing today? If you are new tuning in, let me just say welcome, 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 and say hello to my little boy. Hey, boo. This is my son. Say hey, Goosh. Say hey, Goosh. Love you too. Okay, so today's video is a super short review of a product that I have been trying out for the last 2 weeks, and I kind of want to share with you guys what my experience is in using this particular product. So I want to talk about none other than the Jamaican Mango and Lime Island Oil. Y'all, I really like this stuff right here a whole lot. So y'all, I decided to give this oil a try because I have been experiencing extremely dry scalp. So the main objective of this product is to nourish, it is to lubricate, and it is to strengthen your strands. I was able to find this at my local Walmart, but I'm sure you can find this product at your local beauty supply store, etc., etc. I will have some links down below you can go and check out if you want to purchase your very own. So I want to go ahead and I want to get started with the pros of this particular item. Y'all, one of my favorite things about this oil is the scent. The scent smells so tropically, so islandishly, so deliciously. Okay, that's a little much. All right, what I'm trying to say is this oil smells absolutely amazing, so I definitely love that. Another good thing that I like about this particular product is the stem that is attached to the top. It just makes it very easy to apply the products. So as you guys can see, this is a taper cut here. My taper cut has definitely grown out tremendously. However, you know, depending on where I'm having some itchiness going on, I can just go in and apply it directly to the itchy spots. Also, another good thing about this product is that it is not just for locks, but it's for twists. It's for your protective styles, you guys out there. So if you got braids, spring twists, locks, you know, whatever have you, you can use this oil because it's definitely going to help. This product also consists of natural nourishing ingredients, which it states all that information for you right here on the back of the product. I don't think I need to read everything out to you guys because, I mean, come on, y'all can read. Also, you guys, the application, like I mentioned, again, the application is super uber easy to use. You can use as little or as much as this oil as you need. Also, you get a lot of bang for your buck. You can use this as a hot oil treatment as well. And there's instructions on the back of the bottle how you can go about making that happen. Also, it lets you know how good this product is good for. So on the back of it, I'm not sure if you can see it, but it says that once you open this product, it's good for 12 months. Stop. The only downfall that I don't like about this product is the price. So when I initially picked this product up at the store, I was under the impression that it was one price, but once I got to the register, it was another price. Now, it's definitely not something that's going to break the bank, but this product ran me almost $6, and I wasn't pleased with spending $6 at the time, but since I have been utilizing the product, it is definitely worth the price. I'm glad I went on and I got it because it has been beneficial for me. Now it doesn't say if this is for all hair types, so that part I'm not sure about. So that's definitely a con, because that's something that everybody wants to know. Is this something that they too can use? However, who knows, everybody probably can use this particular product. I don't know, it doesn't say, sorry. The oil is not a heavy oil, just FYI for you guys. It's definitely a light oil, so it's not heavy at all. Not like some oils are heavy. Those ones definitely not a heavy oil. And I'm just going in, y'all, direct to my scalp. But as mentioned before, you can use the spewer that's attached and go directly into those problem areas you feel that you may have. Just a few of the ingredients that are in here. You have mineral oil, castor oil, seed oil, carrot oil, jojoba oil, so on and so forth. What I'll try to do is see if I can find a list and post it up somewhere for you guys for you to check it out. Is this a repurchase for me? Absolutely. I think undergoing this journey, you definitely need your little oil that you can use from time to time to your direct to your scalp. However, if you just have a protective style in general, all in all, this is definitely a great product for you. But it's definitely been helpful for me in this new chapter in my life with my locks. So yeah, you guys, that is all that I have for you. If you've tried this oil out before, let me know what your thoughts are. I know a lot of new lock starters out there say that they have dry, flaky, itchy scalp. This might work for you. Again, it has been beneficial for me thus far. I really like it. It's definitely high on my list. This is going to be a must-have for me in this new walk that I'm taking. So anyway, you guys, hope this video was helpful. I'll see you toodles in the next one. Smoochies. Mwah.